Most of the crashes occur during takeoff and landing. They are trolling the data system has damaged and the radar system was damaged. So the present tracing mechanism for acquiring and identifying the flights is only by radar system. If there is any obstruction or hurdle during flight, the flight can't be identified as the radar system. So this happened. There is nothing. There is the network is not detected within 7 minutes, the flight will crash. Without that accidents occur, we have to implement a new technology. For example, you have a cell phone. A cell phone has 3 to 4 networks. If Idea can be damaged, you have to be go Airtel. If Airtel will be damaged, you have to be go BSNL. So with that network, you have to be connect airlines. Without that, so we have to be implement a new technology called optical communication system. In the optical communication system, there was a transmitter. In the transmitter, there was a laser diode. With that laser diode, the control room person gives information through this laser diode, and the laser diode sound waves can be converted into electrical signals, and that electrical signals can be superimposed on carrier wave. So the carrier wave carries the signal in the loop model and gives to the receiver. So the receiver, there was a sensor part, that was the pilot. So the pilot got the information, and again he gives information through the loop model to the transmitter. So with this advancement use of laser technology and the optical communication system, we can prevent so many accidents, blasts, etc. So it can be invented before 3 years, means we cannot lose our great leader Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy and the UPCM Dorji Kanduri and the flight blast. So this can be implemented now and can be introduced to a government to implement the project. Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
Sai Praveen.
Which school you have come from?
Trisul Ramna from Vijayanagara.
Vijayanagara. And what's your ambition?
Engineering.
What kind of, which engineering you wanted to do?
Software.
So how will you connect your software engineering to this project?
By the death of the Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy, I have got an idea, sir.
Oh.
So I want to prevent the deaths.
Okay. So you are anything more about you want your project, from your project?
Sir, we want to introduce this project to government, sir.
Nice.
Like this, there was a person in the radar system and tells about the route of the flight. That's the radar. So it gives instructions from the radar system to AD system. Satellite to the flight. So with the instructions, the pilot drove the flight, but pilot did not use his own power to drive the flight. And after we hear about various large missions, helicopters, boats and helicopters as well as flight. You can hear. So most of the crashes occur during takeoff and landing like this. So there are so many crashes. So because the accidents occur, we can invent a new technology called optical communication system. In the optical communication system, there are 3 components. The first one is transmitter, and the second one is information channel, and the third one is receiver. So the transmitter is in an AD system, and the AD system is control unit. So the control manager connects the microphone and gives instructions to the transmitter. This is the ladder diagram. Okay, that is the ladder diagram. It travels 1 kilometer. Superimposed on carrier wave. So the carrier wave carries the signal in the loop model and gives to the sensor. Okay, sensor is the part of the pilot. So the pilot listens the words and instructions, and again he gives instructions to the transmitter. So this whole system of the optical communication system, we can prevent so many accidents and disasters.